And guys, what's happening? I had to switch between 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G for better connectivity. So first of all, you could go ahead to the main settings, right? And go to the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, basically, the Wi-Fi networks allows you to switch between 2G, 3G, 4G, and even 5G if allowed, right? If you already have the password. So as you can see right here, I'm already connected to 5G, even though my phone settings does not support 5G, right? Second way you can do that if you want to switch from 2G or between 2G, 3G, 4G, you can go ahead to the cellular data option, right? And then go ahead to the voice and data. And as you can see, I already have two options, 4G, 3G, right? So you can switch between these two. You can't switch between 2G and 5G. In order to do that, you need to use, as we said, the wireless Wi-Fi, right? In order to switch between 2G, 3G, 4G, and even 5G if you want better connectivity. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.